Think about it for a moment. What is your dream job? If you could choose any job in the world, what would you like to do? Would you like to help people? Would you like to travel? Would you like to create something new? A dream job is not just a job. It is something that makes you feel happy and excited. It is something that gives meaning to your life. Everyone has a dream job. Some people know their dream very clearly. Some people are still thinking and trying to find it, and that is okay. Because finding your dream job is a journey. Some people want to be doctors, they want to help sick people, they want to save lives, they want to make people feel better. Being a doctor is not easy. It takes many years of study and practice. But people choose this job because they care about others. They want to make a difference. Some people want to be teachers. They love to teach and share knowledge. They want to help students learn new things. They want to guide young people. A teacher can change someone's life. A good teacher can inspire students. That is why many people dream of becoming teachers. Some people want to be artists. They love drawing, painting, or making music. They want to express their feelings. They want to show their ideas to the world. Artists make the world more beautiful. They bring color, emotion, and creativity. Some people want to be engineers. They like solving problems. They want to build machines, buildings, or technology. They want to create something useful. Engineers help make our lives easier. Some people want to be business owners. They want to start their own company. They want to be independent. They want to create opportunities for others. They enjoy taking risks and building something from nothing. Some people want to be travelers. They want to see the world. They want to learn about different cultures. They want to meet new people. For them, the world is their workplace. And some people want simple jobs. They want peace. They want balance. They want time for family and friends. And that is also a beautiful dream. There is no right or wrong dream job. Every dream is important. Every dream is special because it belongs to you. Your dream job is about what makes you happy, not what others expect from you, not what society says, not what your friends are doing. Your dream job is your choice. But here's something very important. A dream job does not come easily. You cannot just sit and wait. You must take action. You must learn. You must practice. You must improve yourself. Sometimes the journey is difficult. You may feel tired. You may feel confused. You may feel lost. You may think, this is too hard. But that is part of the journey. Every successful person feels this way. They face problems. They make mistakes. They fail many times. But they do not stop. They keep going, step by step, day by day, little by little. And slowly they move closer to their dream. You do not need to do everything at once. Start small. Learn one new thing every day. Practice a little every day. Take one step every day. Small steps create big results. For example, if your dream is to speak English well, you can start by listening every day. You can practice speaking simple sentences. You can learn new words. You can try again and again. At first, it may feel difficult, but slowly it becomes easier. This is how progress works. Slow, but strong. You must also believe in yourself. Sometimes people will doubt you. Sometimes people will say, you cannot do this. But do not listen to them. Listen to your heart. Believe in your dream. Because if you do not believe in yourself, no one else will. Confidence is very important. Even if you are not perfect, keep going. Perfection is not needed. Effort is needed. Consistency is needed. Courage is needed. And remember this, it is okay to change your dream. Sometimes people start with one dream and later find another. That is normal. Life changes. People grow. Dreams grow. So do not be afraid to explore. Try new things. Learn new skills. Discover what you really love. Your dream job is not only about work, it is about your life. It is about how you feel every day. It is about your happiness. Imagine waking up every morning and feeling excited. Imagine doing something you enjoy. Imagine feeling proud of yourself. That is the power of a dream job, and one day it can be your reality. But you must start now, not tomorrow, not next year, now. Start learning, start trying, start moving forward. Even one small step today is important because your future is built by what you do today. And one day, something amazing will happen. You will look at your life and realize you are not just dreaming anymore, you are living your dream. And that feeling is one of the best feelings in the world. So never stop dreaming, never stop trying, and never give up on your dream job because your dream is possible and your future is waiting for you.